Namaste and welcome to Simply Simple Cooking. I am Akshay, your host, and today we will be preparing vegetable rice cutlets. Coming up. You don't have to think twice for this dish because this dish comes in very useful when you have a bunch of leftover food at your home. And the best part about it is you can improvise on the ingredients. Now, before we begin, you can now check out the recipe of all our dishes on our website simplysimplecooking.net. Now, without wasting any more time, let's check out what all ingredients we have which we can use for these cutlets. I have around 3 bowls of cooked rice, some corn, around 3 to 4 French beans which I have chopped, 1 carrot which I have grated, half chopped boiled beetroot, some green peas, finely chopped green chilies, half a teaspoon of freshly chopped ginger. And for making these cutlets, we need a binding agent. So we are using semolina or rava. If you don't have semolina or rava, you can make use of breadcrumbs. We will squeeze in some fresh lemon juice, some ground pepper and salt to taste. So in this bowl of rice, now we are going to add all the ingredients. So in goes the carrots, beetroot, green peas, corn, the French beans, all the chopped chilies, half a teaspoon of ginger, some ground pepper, salt to taste, and let's squeeze in the fresh lemon juice. Now squash them together. Now once all the ingredients are mixed, let's add the semolina and we have to mix it well again. Now we need to let it rest for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, we are going to make cutlets out of this mixture. So let's take a plate, apply a drop of oil on your hand so that the cutlets don't stick to your hand. Take a small portion of the mixture and let's make a ball out of it. Since we have applied oil on the hand, they don't stick to the hand. Flatten them up and there it is. Continue making all the cutlets. So here you go. Now it's time to fry them. So let's take a pan and add some oil in it. Now once the oil is heated up, turn the heat to medium and let's add 1 cutlet in the hot oil. So after around 2 to 3 minutes, just gently lift them and check if you can see a gentle golden brown color. That means they are done from one side. So now let's flip them one at a time. Wow, look at the color. Now do the same process from the other side as well. Check from the other side as well if they are done. As I said, if you can see such a gentle golden brown color, that means they are done. Now let's take them off. So I've just put some tissue papers on the plate and let's take out the cutlets one at a time. And here you go. Our cutlets are ready. Now it's time to serve. So these are the rice cutlets I had to show you guys. You can enjoy them with some tomato ketchup or some spicy greens chutney on the side. This is one of the interesting ways of using leftover rice. If you have any other interesting recipe which make use of leftovers, please do share it with us in the comments below. Also, if you have prepared any dish using our recipe, please share the photograph of the dish on the social media channels using our handle simplyscooking on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. So this was it guys from me in this video. See you again in my next video. Till the time, you keep experimenting with food, share it with your friends and don't forget to enjoy. Take care.